essentially changing the fly. Hey y'all, it's Chimdi. So as you can see from the title, after 8 years of being a fully natural woman, I am going to nip that in the bud and end my natural hair journey. Let's go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because you're already here, and why not? Wouldn't that be great? And subscribe and leave me a comment below. Are you natural? How long have you been natural? And have you ever had those moments where you're like,
you know what, this life might not actually be for me?
Let's go ahead and get this video started. So I don't actually remember the last time I got a perm. I feel like it was probably sometime in high school, but for the most part, I've always loved wearing my hair in protective styles. The thing is that I would never actually take care of my hair when it was in those styles. It was very much a way to just like look cute without doing any work. So by the time I reached college, I had some length, but that hair was not healthy at all. And so I just kept doing what I'd been doing, which was wearing box braids and just keeping it moving. When I was graduating from college, that's when like the natural hair movement was really picking up, and there were all these great YouTubers who were showing how you could effectively wear your hair naturally. And so that's what gave me the kind of push to go natural and do the big chop. So I did the big chop truly like the day or two before my graduation. And so I graduated with this like very cute little puff, very precious, and then went from there to like genuinely try to have healthy hair and grow my hair out naturally. My hair was very short, of course, in the beginning, and so wash and goes were a breeze, doing protective styles were a breeze. It was all just very, very easy. And then I found that as I got more and more into the process, things got more expensive and they got to be a little bit more work. Wash and goes that would truly take 10 minutes started to take like 45 minutes. Hairstyles where I'd have to, you know, braid down whatever natural hair I had to then do the rest of the style now took longer and needed more like creative solutions because I had more of my natural hair that I had to protect. And so, you know, over these last couple of years, you've seen me do all types of natural hairstyles, and I really enjoy doing them. It's so fun, but I've never really changed in terms of my desire to keep my actual hair healthy. It's just not my relationship to my hair where I'm like, oh, I want these strands to be healthy. It's just like, I don't really care that much. I don't really care. Here's my approach to ending my natural hair journey. Right now my hair is completely natural. I have never obviously gotten a perm. I've also never colored my hair, so my hair is completely virgin. And so my plan is to just change that part right away. So I'm gonna start with dyeing my hair. I still have some bags of hair for a hairstyle I haven't done yet, so that'll probably be my last protective style with my current hair. And then I haven't done a wash and go, like a proper like let me define my curls and all that in a really long time. So I think I'll do one final wash and go just to like say goodbye to 2020. Then at the end of the year, it'll be for Christmas, that's when I'll start with color. You know, so there's a debate around like whether or not dyeing your hair means you're actually still natural or not, but I know it's gonna change my curl pattern and I know it's gonna damage my hair, which are kind of, to me, the tenets of natural hair life is, you know, have healthy hair and don't change your curl pattern permanently, and that's what the dye is going to do. And so I'm pretty excited because I've never had, even before going natural, I've never had color in my hair. This will be a big change for me, so I'm really excited. My presumption, and also because I know my lifestyle and I'm not gonna take care of it, is that my hair is just gonna break right on off. It's gonna be like,
how dare you bleach me? This life isn't for us anymore.
And then once my hair is truly just very damaged, I'm just gonna shave it all off, which I'm so excited about because I've also never had a really short cut and I've never experienced that true freedom that comes with having a bald head. I also like the idea of being like encouraged to create more of like a look and stuff when I go outside, because the shorter your hair, the more you have to like be doing other stuff with other areas of your face. So I really just want to create a look where I'm just looking very like natural and radiant, Nubian and whatnot. I've got a friend, Kamali. She is so fly and has been rocking short hair for as long as I've known her. When she talked about the freedom, just like getting up and going, I'm just like, oh my gosh, that sounds so good. Because part of why I like protective styles is because it means I don't have to do my hair every day. It's not just like, oh, I like changing it up. It's like, I also just don't want to do this every single day. The fact that I have to do something with my hair every single day is the patriarchy. I'm tired of standing for it. I was trying to think of things that I've learned from being natural, and I think the main thing is that when I first started watching YouTube videos, it was primarily because I needed tutorials for how to style my hair, and that's when I got really into it. And my first video ever on my channel is me talking about a protective style. It's been so cool to see all the beautiful black women on YouTube and how they've like, it's percolated across the world, and how our desire to take back our hair has then had repercussions in the world of beauty and finance and media, and we're seeing more beautiful women with with natural hair in the shows we watch and in our commercials and all these great things. I think it's so wonderful, and I feel so blessed that I've been a part of it up to this point. My most successful videos on my channel are my hair tutorials, and I think that's so cool, and I'm so glad that these styles that I love, other folks can watch it, learn how to do it, and make it for themselves. It fills me with a lot of joy, and I'm really excited to take the next stage in my personal hair journey and do things I haven't done before. It's so easy in a lot of things in life to just coast, you know, things are like good enough, and my hair is another example of ways where I'm like, well, let me re-examine things that I've taken as givens and actually look and see if there's a way we can do something more cool and more fun and more exciting and more challenging. And I hope you don't feel like I've scammed you by watching this video, because I'm not like getting a perm, but instead I'm just essentially changing the I'm essentially changing the curl pattern of my hair and eventually cutting it all off. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you are in the middle of doing any dramatic hair changes. I feel like whenever you do a hair change, people are like, is everything okay in your life? I promise, yes, but maybe not, right? Maybe this is a cry for help. Maybe this is a sign. Let me know if you've ever cut your hair and it's been a cry for help and you wish somebody would have been like,
Hey girl, you need some help.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Subscribe to see more, and I'll see y'all in my next one.